Hey everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best compact circular saws on the market for this year. From precision laser guides to cordless convenience, these power-packed tools are here to revolutionize the way you tackle your projects. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Skill 15-amp circular saw with single beam laser. The Skill circular saw is a versatile cutting tool that will undoubtedly become your go-to companion for various woodworking projects. Its powerful 15-amp motor ensures smooth and precise cuts through different materials, making it suitable for both professionals and enthusiasts. The standout feature of this circular saw is the single beam laser guide, which guarantees accurate and straight cuts with ease, eliminating any guesswork and ensuring a professional finish. With user-friendliness in mind, Skill has designed this circular saw to be ergonomic and lightweight, reducing fatigue during extended use. The comfortable handle allows for a firm grip and precise control, providing confidence in every cut. Additionally, the integrated anti-snag lower guard enhances safety by preventing the blade from binding during cuts. Whether you're cutting wood for a project or tackling a complex job on a construction site, the Skill circular saw will exceed your expectations. Number 2. DeWalt Atomic Circular Saw. For those seeking a compact and powerful circular saw, the DeWalt Atomic is a game changer. Its 4.5-inch blade may seem small, but don't be fooled by its size. This saw packs a punch. The brushless motor technology delivers up to 3000 RPM, ensuring smooth and efficient cuts through various materials. Whether you're a professional contractor or a enthusiast, this circular saw is perfect for tight spaces and intricate cuts. DeWalt has put user comfort at the forefront with the DCS 571B. The lightweight design and easy-to-grip handle make it effortless to control, reducing strain during extended use. The tool-only design allows for compatibility with DeWalt's 20V Max battery system, providing the flexibility to choose the power source that suits your needs best. From cutting trim to building furniture, the DeWalt Atomic is a reliable and convenient circular saw for all your cutting needs. Number 3. Makita Rear Handle Circular Saw. If unparalleled cutting power is what you seek, look no further than the Makita circular saw. Powered by 218V LXT lithium-ion batteries, this 36V beast offers extraordinary cutting capabilities for even the most demanding tasks. The brushless motor technology not only ensures maximum power and efficiency, but also extends the tool's lifespan, providing long-lasting performance. Makita's thoughtful design extends to user comfort, as the XSR01Z features a rear handle for improved handling and control during operation. The high-quality materials used in its construction make this circular saw a robust and durable choice for professionals in the construction industry. Whether you're working on framing, decking, or general carpentry, the Makita circular saw is a reliable and powerful tool that won't disappoint. Number 4. Works Cordless Compact Circular Saw. For those seeking a portable and convenient cutting solution, the Works is the perfect fit. This cordless compact circular saw allows for unrestricted movement, making it ideal for on-the-go projects or tasks in tight spaces. Despite its compact size, the Works doesn't compromise on performance. The 4.5-inch blade may seem small, but don't be fooled, it's designed for maximum efficiency, offering clean and precise cuts through various materials. Designed with user comfort in mind, Works has crafted this circular saw to be lightweight and easy to handle. The ergonomic grip ensures precise control and reduced fatigue during extended use, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. The 20V battery provides ample power for a wide range of cutting applications. Whether you're working on crafts or home repairs, the Works delivers exceptional performance with the convenience of cordless freedom. Number 5. Bosch Circular Saw. The Bosch circular saw is a high-performance tool that caters to the needs of professionals who demand precision and efficiency. Powered by the CORE18V8A high-power battery, this circular saw delivers consistent and reliable cutting performance. The brushless motor technology ensures extended tool life and maximizes the battery's runtime, allowing for prolonged cutting sessions without interruptions. This circular saw is track compatible, enabling precise and straight cuts over long distances. Whether you're cutting plywood, hardwood, or softwood, the circular saw will handle the task with ease. The connected-ready design allows for wireless tool customization, making it a cutting-edge tool for modern-day professionals. Bosch has also prioritized user comfort with the saw. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, while the lightweight construction reduces user fatigue during extended use. From construction sites to woodworking workshops, this circular saw's performance, versatility, and advanced features make it a top-notch choice for discerning professionals. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.